Sige rin ganito. Maluwag din doon ang bawal.
Toyota, oh. Toyota House. Ang Nissan nandito. Sa kabila, Kia. Saka Honda. Walang Mazda.
Sound like Louisa and the Encanto family. Have you gone home?
Not yet.
Louisa is a girl. Jingle on the way.
Gift cards. Cute. Pag ayaw mo na mag-isip kung anong gusto mong irregalo. Hindi ka na lang ng gift cards.
I'm getting the Princess Peach one. Why do Mommy have to find a TikTok? Instead she can buy. Rose flavor. Want to see?
Ah.
Hey, hold me, Mommy. But you can...
Tagalog talaga na nagsalita siya.
Mommy, there's also a toy.
Ano yan?
I can play on my toy.
Punta kami ngayong Bayon. Tapos dumaan muna kami kanina sa Target. Kasi bumili kami ng car seat. Yung kasi nabili ko, yung pinabili ko sa kuya, parang booster seat na siya. Kala ko pwede na siya kay Noe. Pero medyo malaki pa pala sa kanya. Tsaka dapat yung 5-point harness pa rin yung gamit niya. Kaya bumili kami ng car seat. This one.
Baby. Noe. Then what?
Ano bibili
How
natin?
much sweet are those? I don't know.
Ito mukhang Coco Crunch. Yun na lang.
But
Ha?
I don't want that. Honey Stars Cocoa Crunch. Mommy, that. I want to put it in.
Okay. Put it.
Baby.
You want Tatella? This one?
Yeah. I want the big jars.
Pancakes.
Baby. Mommy, where do you think we're gonna live? You don't know?
Uy.
Naman ko
Dito ako sa besa.
My elevator. See, Mama. Ah, you're gonna go.
Let's go.
That's this is
Kakarating lang namin dito sa bahay from Bayon. Tapos dumaan nga kami sa ShopRite bago umuwi dito. Kasi bumili kami ng konting mga foods, mga cookies. Tsaka nag-try din kami bumili ng fresh milk para kay Noe, pati diapers. So, maliliit lang muna yung binili ko kasi titingnan ko pa kung mahihiyangan nila yung diaper. Tsaka yung fresh milk kung magugustuhan nila. Apartment hunting kami today. Ito yung first apartment na pinuntahan namin. 1-bedroom apartment siya. Yan yung living room. Carpeted yung floor niya. And ito naman yung kitchen. Wood naman yung floor. Then meron na siyang mga gas range, oven, fridge. Meron din siyang 1 bathroom with bathtub. Yan naman yung bedroom. Carpeted din siya. Then, merong maliit na closet. Ito naman yung second apartment na tinignan namin. Model unit lang siya. Hindi siya yung mismong apartment. Meron sila dyang den for the kids. Nire-require nila yan pag meron kayong kids na kasama sa bahay. As you can see, medyo mas maliit lang yung living room nila. And yung buong apartment, medyo mas maliit lang siya. And itong apartment na to, siya yung pinaka-pricey sa lahat ng tinignan namin. Maganda lang dito kasi meron na silang washer and dryer sa loob ng apartment. Ayan yung bathroom niya with bathtub din yan. Then, ito naman yung bedroom. Carpeted din yung bedroom nila and merong maliit na closet. Ang maganda sa apartment na to, marami na silang amenities like swimming pool, tennis court, meron din silang billiards, and free na rin yung wifi.
You know that I tried, yeah, I really tried. Oh, you gave me that feeling. You gave me the feeling of free. I felt so trapped until I found you. Now all I feel is free.
Ito naman yung third apartment na pinuntahan namin. Medyo mas maluwag and spacious itong apartment na to. Dito sa living room, meron ng storage or walk-in closet. Wood yung floors niya na mas preferred namin. Ganito naman yung kitchen. Meron na rin siyang fridge, oven, gas range, dishwasher. Ito naman yung bathroom. Meron din siyang bathtub. And ito yung bedroom. 1-bedroom unit din to. And napakaluwag ng bedroom niya. Wardrobe. Walk-in closet. Tapos ito yung view ng window. Yung parking.
It was back in the time, yeah, back in the time.